Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot, and it is a week now. This will be from 10th of Feb to 14th of Feb. So it's just a 5 days market outlook on gold. So this is top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and for the purpose of this analysis, I'll be also highlighting some key things in 1-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 1-hour time frame, because in 1-hour time frame is where I'll be pointing out the possible entries for the coming week. So actually we had the midweek analysis now this week. So all in all, this analysis is going to align mostly with the midweek analysis. So if you have not watched the midweek analysis, make sure that you go and watch the midweek analysis. So now in the monthly time frame, now what we see here is just now a possible continuation. The overall picture is the possible continuation to the upside, because now looking on these two candlesticks here, now the December and the January candlestick, now you can see that now the January candlestick covered the December candlestick now to the upside. So now in most cases this formation is a continuation pattern. So in most cases the continuation pattern that indicate that buyers always manage to win the sellers. And now looking on the Feb candle, you can see now it opened with the bullish momentum at all. So, and it is also maintaining the bullish momentum. So in most cases we can expect a continuation to the upside. And actually you see there are some levels indicated here. These are the levels of equality from different wave ratios, or the waves now in different time frames. So actually in most cases we can expect the price can react in, and also have trend line running all the way to the upside here, reacting to this level. So it cannot be tomorrow or next week, but actually those are the levels to observe. The most close level we have to watch is the 2900. So we expect the reactions at the 29000. So also looking on the RSI, we see the overbought condition. This let us with a possible reversal at any time. Now at any point we can expect of the possible reversal to the downside. So this is most likely going to happen next week, the reversal to the downside, but it can be in a short term. Okay, then I have lost the internet, so let me get back quickly. The internet is lost. Let me get back quickly. Let me get back. Okay, yes, yeah, I'm back now. So okay, good. So let me go to weekly time frame and see what is happening in weekly time frame. So okay, straightforward, we can see a lot of things now in weekly time frame: drawings, wave counts. So actually now this week we have managed to break the all-time high and created a historical high. So prices now this week, price has managed to touch the highest level of all the time. So okay, so by breaking this level, this indicates that buyers are getting more serious. And now in most cases, all these forces to the upside are fundamentally driving. So technically we were expecting for a possible reversal to the downside, but fundamental effects are driving gold to the highest levels. So most of the reversal patterns have been violated now recently. So now yes, in most cases we expect that once the reversal to the downside, but with the current technical formation, as I've said, in monthly time frame, showing on the momentum now. Technically the momentum was already low in weekly time frame. So at any point now we'll be having a stronger reversal to the downside. That is possible. And at the same time we see we are still running all the way from the downside. We see a dotted line running all the way from the downside. So in most cases, since we are below this level, so we can expect for a possible touch and the reversal to the downside. So price may touch the level and the reversal to the downside. So that is possible. And then going to daily time frame, I see every time internet is going off. Every time internet is going off. I don't know what is going on today. What is going on today? It is happening today. Every time my internet is getting off. Every time my internet is getting off. So yes, let us see. Quickly, I'm getting back. Okay, quickly, I'm getting back. Yes, yeah, possibly I can go with the iPhone. Let's go with this internet. Okay, yes, let me try daily time frame. Let me try the daily time frame. Yes, we go. Yeah, okay. So now in daily time frame now, looking closely, yeah, we see it. So we have created another level here, 27, and now around 28, 87 or 88. So it's now the historical high or the highest level of all the time. So okay, so with that said, we see based on wave counts now, price has completed the third wave. So in most cases we are looking for a possible fourth wave to the downside. So this is based on wave counts. So looking on formation in daily time frame, now we can see there is a possibility of downside because the wave counts are completed, and also we need to, and also at least the price moved to the nearly to the psychological level, the 2900. So price almost touched the level, so we can expect a reversal straight from the current price, or price may form some formations to 2900 before reversing to 2800. So as it was said on the midweek analysis, we'll be looking for possible sells at 2900 and possible buys at 2800. So this has still remained the same, and we see there was a serious reversal on Friday. So it has been now the 5th week or the 4th week. We see every Friday there is a reversal candle like this. So now when we see this on Monday, in most cases price is going to sell on Monday, and the rest of the week you can find that is holding to the upside. So even here we can expect a sell, and in most cases we can see there's a trend line, so there might be a respect or our time frame to see what is possibly going to happen with this possible market move. Okay, so yes, in 4-hour time frame, what we see here is just completion of those waves to the upside, completion of the waves to the upside. So the wave counts are completed. Then looking on the candlestick patterns, now you can see there's an engulfing thing. So this one engulfed the other one. In most case, price failed to continue, failed to move with the bullish momentum now to maintain the bullish momentum, and this reversal has at least covered the previous one, the previous rejection here. So in most cases we can expect for a possible move to the downside, and there's a trend line here. So the most common, or the easiest confirmation here is just the break of this trend line. So once this is broken, so it will be an easy confirmation for the possible sells. The 1 hour, as I said, the final time frame, so we can see the possible entries. Okay, yes, so now looking at the 1 hour time frame, now you can see here wave counts up. We have a trend line, and also we have the static support here. This is this level. So now in most cases, looking on the the candlestick formations, now the last 5 candlesticks, now we can see they were just form of indecisions, the rejections and everything. So now in most cases we'll be watching for, so next week now we'll be watching for a possible break of this trend line here and the static support. So we'll be watching for break and retest. So break and retest, and final will be selling now all the way to the levels of 28.15. So this will be the target, or the first target, the 28.15. And finally, if price will continue up to 28.00, so at 28.00 is where we'll be looking for possible buys. So updates will be provided how far we'll be riding with those buys. The first opportunity is just the selling on opening of the market, or we can see some slight reverse of the upside. And when you see selling confirmation before price break above 28.87, so you can take those sales to the levels of 28.15. So that's how you are going to. So do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, so that you'll have some confidence on the probable direction next week. So make sure that you subscribe this channel. Also, you put comment. If you have anything or any addition, write in the comment section. So that's very important. So powerful. Have a great weekend.